Welcome to FreeCAD. First, I click on parametric part. Now we are entering into the Sketcher workbench. So to enter into the Sketcher workbench, so here you will find Create Sketch icon. Click on Create Sketch icon. Then you will find three planes. Select the plane which you want to draw. Select the plane which you want to draw. Now we are in the desired plane. These are the Sketcher tools. These are the Sketcher tools. Now we are adding a point to the working plane. To add the point, click on Create Point icon. Now add point to the plane at your desired location. You can add as many as points to your plane according to the requirement. Now I remove all these points except one point. This point, you can move this point by picking it anywhere in the plane. So I want to constrain this point. It means I define it is the distance between this point from the x-axis and also the distance between from this point to the y-axis. Select that point, right click, click on dimension. Now you can see here vertical distance. Now I enter 50 mm as the vertical distance from x-axis to the point. Now again click on this point and y-axis. Click on y-axis. You will see. Now enter 50 mm. Click on OK. Here you can see the distance from y-axis and x-axis are defined. Now you can see the point color of this point became green. At this condition we say that the point is fully constrained.